The redesigned engine offers incredible torque, especially in the mid-range.
Exactly, and the new suspension setup provides unparalleled comfort on long rides.
Yeah.
The 2026 Honda CB1000GT brings together sport bike performance and true touring capability in one package. Built on the foundation of Honda's Hornet Fireblade heritage, this machine is engineered to cover long miles with comfort, yet still deliver aggressive dynamics when you want it. Power comes from a 9999cc liquid-cooled inline 4-cylinder engine, bore 76mm and stroke 55.1mm, with a compression ratio of 11.7:1. Peak output is approximately 147.6 HP at 11,000 RPM and torque around 102 Nm at 8,750 RPM. It's paired with a 6-speed transmission, quick shifter, assist, and slipper clutch, all designed for both spirited and relaxed riding. Chassis and suspension reflect the touring ambition. The steel diamond-style main frame comes from the CB1000 Hornet, but the subframe has been lengthened and strengthened to handle luggage and pillion loads. Showa's ERA semi-active suspension is fitted front and rear, adapting damping in real time based on ride mode, speed, lean, and terrain. Braking is serious. Dual 310mm front discs with radial mount Nissan calipers and rear 240mm disc, all backed by IMU-controlled cornering ABS. The ergonomics are tuned for touring with sport sensibility. Seat height is 825mm. Wet weight around 229 kilos, and the user interface includes a full-color TFT display, smartphone connectivity, USB-C charging, and heated grips. A 21-liter fuel tank gives a claimed real-world range in excess of 340 km. Aerodynamics and comfort matter here. Honda used CFD to design the fairing, and an adjustable windscreen enhances long-haul comfort. Integrated pannier mounts and touring packs are available to turn the CB1000GT into a fully loaded 2-up machine. The ride modes let the CB1000GT change character instantly. Sport, Tour, Rain, and User mode allow adjustments to throttle response, engine braking, traction control, and suspension behavior. The IMU tracks 6 axes of motion to deliver stability and confidence, whether you're carving canyon roads or cruising highways. In practical terms, this machine thrives when you want one bike to do it all. Use it for spirited rides during the week, then load it up and head across states on the weekend with comfort and presence. The combination of high output, advanced electronics, and touring readiness make it a strong contender in the sport touring category. As with any bike, there are trade-offs. At 229 kilos and an 825mm seat height, it's not the lightest or lowest machine around, so short riders or those used to ultra-light bikes will need to adapt. And while the engine delivers high performance, it's tuned more for usability than pure lap times. But those compromises are reasonable given the versatility on offer. The 2026 Honda CB1000GT isn't just for sport or touring, it's for anyone who wants to blend both. If you're looking for one machine that sets your pulse, hauls your gear, and delivers comfort across miles, this is it. Let us know in the comments, would you ride the CB1000GT as your one-bike solution? Would you kit it for weekends, or keep it lean for sport? Thanks for watching Acer Showroom. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive. Until next time, ride hard, ride far.